It's your boy Charger 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another video for today. As you know, you're looking at the beast, the Bumblebee, Super B, how you call it, the 392 Scat Pack. Quite a bit of little names right there, right? But you know, Charger 17 3.0 sticks to what he knows. Here's his Chargers. Look at that, we getting a nice little walk around her. She's like semi-clean, but you know, up here, your boy Charger 17 3.0 keeps her clean. With that said, today's video, if you ain't already read that description, it's going down today. It's going down. Oh wait. I know you guys probably like, no co-start? No co-start? We don't get enough of that. Let it hit. Woo. Woo. She a little cold, but semi cold, cause I went to the store real quick. But yeah, she's still growling. She's still growling. Listen to that. That's all stock. I know everybody axes. Everybody axes me. Is it? What did you do to it? Nothing. Bad girl stock from manufacturer. Same day I picked it up from the dealership, minus the little cosmetic work I did to her to give it a little triplet that I like. But yeah, just listen to that. Got that old school sound to her. Old school style. With that said, we're gonna let this video roll. Definitely hit that like, subscribe, get that notification bell too. Hit that little bell so you know every time your boy uploads a video, you're gonna get that notification. You know, I've been told a couple times from some people that they have hit the notification bell, but sometimes they don't get the, notification every time. But yeah, definitely hit that bell and subscribe, and definitely share. Comment at free will. It doesn't hurt. You know, if I don't really say too much in the comment, I might just give you the thumbs up and the little heart like thing to let you know I read your comment. And that's what it is, y'all. It's your boy Charger 17. We about to get this shit rolling. We about to get it rolling. We got something good coming for y'all guys today. Hopefully. We got a couple, 2 guest appearances on the show. It's like my show though, Actually, 2 of them we already done saw. We already saw both of them in our life. So we already done saw both on our channel recently. But we're linking up today for something that we want to do. Look, that's how she pour. That's how she pour. After she done close up, that's how she sound. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. That is a stunning right there. Hope I got the pick. If not, I have to go in the video and get this as a little picture right here. This would look nice with the little smoke coming out. Alright guys, with that said, we're gonna get this video rolling. Enough of me talking. We're gonna get in this thing. I made sure I got everything to charge. Let me see if I got, I ain't got back on the floor. That's freaking nature what we got going on. But with that said, we're gonna get in this thing. I got the camera bag, my batteries, the drone. I got everything in here. Don't worry about throwing it because everything is padded and everything in there. But yeah, this is what your boy working with right here. See that? See that? We working like that with the Scat. Yeah, I still got some stuff to do, yo. I got little videos come for all this here, little touches on the paddles and stuff. I still got to hook that up, like I said a while back. So definitely stay tuned. Don't miss none of this. Don't miss none of it. That's just the cosmetic work. Power-wise, I'm pretty satisfied with it is. Satisfied with it is. All right, y'all. Get at y'all when we there. All right, gang, we about to do the exhaust comparisons. We both about to compete. And then the last one, who the winner competes against his exhaust. All three is the stock. So Elvis car review, he about to go first. Let me get in the back so we can hear.
This eco mode?
You said?
This eco?
Actually.
Man, it looks so good. Look at
Right. I like that. The top part too. For.
Oh, yeah, you can hear him as he switches.
Yeah, he switches.
That's crazy. This sounds good.
Yeah, because they got the flaps. I don't know if you can see down there.
This is comfort mode, which is eco.
Okay.
So comfort.
All right.
So equal is his comfort. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, that's pretty quiet.
That was comfort mode.
Okay.
That sounds pretty good.
Then this is sport mode. Did the flap open?
I think so.
They did.
Yeah.
Think.
It looks like it.
No.
And then we move it to dynamic.
Dynamic. Let's hear this one. Yeah, I'll be in dynamic all the time.
Yo, that's good, man. I like those pops, bro.
I'll definitely be in dynamic all the time on that one.
Damn, yeah, I couldn't drive it. I couldn't drive it in anything other than dynamic mode.
For real.
Man, that just sounds good, bro.
All right.
Oh, it's time for the Scat Pack.
All right, Scat Pack up next.
I'm just, I'm probably back mine up just a little right here.
Yeah, you could actually. I got your camera.
All right, bro. It's still rolling.
Yeah, that sound good, man. I like the way that sound. What can you do to that to give it that just a little more loudness?
Down pipe and there's a company called Damn.
Oh, damn. He started up and that shit sound crazy.
Yeah, there's a company called Amovi, a Russian company that makes crazy exhaust.
Crazy exhausts? Yeah. That sounds expensive.
Yeah. Comparing the exhaust of the Scat Pack Charger and the RS5. Go ahead. Now you ready?
Yeah. What mode you in?
Auto mode.
Auto, okay. Damn.
It's already loud.
Yeah, it's already louder. Fuck.
Eco mode? Sure. That's how you
That's eco?
Yeah, look at the track. Sport mode? Yeah.
Yeah. They all kind of sound the same.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh yeah, that one definitely.
Yeah.
That one right there. What mode was that last one?
Track.
Track. Okay, yeah, track definitely sounded better.
Someone's radar detector.
I know somebody radar detector probably was his when he turned his car out though.
Just let me know something. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can maybe move and have.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch out. I'm gonna switch out with you. Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna bring the cat real quick. Honestly though, I think yours might be the loudest, bro.
With the way this, yeah, it's the way it's.
The way that the exhaust setup, yours might be a little louder.
Jason, can you just hold the camera first? I didn't get mine on camera.
All right, I got you covered. We're behind the scenes right now, so you guys gonna see it all on my side. Hold it right here.
Yeah, it's right there, next to the exhaust.
You gonna go through the modes again, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. The flap just open. I want dynamic.
Yep.
Yo, I like the way
Yo.
that joint sound, bro. Them little pop sounds.
I have that car popping all the time doing that.
Yo, this is shoot flames if you go like catless back, right?
Yes, it does.
It would, right?
Yes.
Yo, that'd be crazy if you do that, bro.
Yeah, that would be.
That'd be a video for real. All right, he about to do his. We about to see what the Hellcat, Jellycat sound. Starting with equal mode, guys.
You want to sound louder?
Yeah.
It's sport.
Sport?
Okay. Sport mode now. Yeah, it is louder.
Yeah.
It is louder, yeah.
Big time.
It's track. It's the last one.
Track, okay. Okay.
Woo.
That thing is loud.
Yeah.
You have stock exhaust?
Stock exhaust.
The only thing I got done to it is that intake. That's it.
That's about it, right?
Intake. Yeah.
Differently.
Damn, it do sound good though.
Yeah, it does.
So I can't wait to watch this footage and see how it sounds myself. Yo, the best way I realized to edit my footage though is to put like headphones in.
And so you can hear
The
this.
clarity sounds crazy. Because usually I play with the volumes of the film.
Okay.
And I don't want the people who actually do wear headphones.
And then get
To see
yeah,
the.
So,
Yup.
yeah, that's
no,
why
that sound
some
good.
people actually even put like headphone warning.
Yep. Headphone
Yup.
warnings. Yeah.
This one would be definitely a headphone warning.
Yeah, because it was pretty loud.
All three vehicles is pretty sound good.
That joint. You think area which is great for our sound quality. So that's why we
Y'all guys just heard the exhaust notes from all three vehicles. All three. We sounding pretty good. It's cold out here, so if I got any of this going on, excuse that video. But, you know, look at that, look up. Elvis car review again, can't get enough. We got 1, 2, 3 of us. We're all YouTubers. We got more YouTubers around town, but right now we're doing what we're doing right now, what we like to do best. We're comparing Scat Pack, Hellcat. Both cars are 2020. That's a 2019 Audi RS5. Heck yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on. Look at that. Woo. All right, guys. Catch you on the next vlog. Peace.
Another week worth of upload right there.
We backing up. Look. We backing up so far. Look, just where we're going right here. We backing up. Look at that. We got plenty of videos off of this whole set right here. Get at you guys on the next vlog. Peace.
And then we're moving to dynamic.
Dynamic. Let's hear this one. Yeah, I'm being dynamic all the time.
Oh yeah, that one definitely. That one right there. What mode was that last one? Track. Okay, yeah, track definitely sounded better. Track is the last one.
Track, okay. Okay.
Woo!
That thing is loud.
Yeah.
You have stock exhaust?